Okay, so very, very similar to the exponential interest formula that we did last. Exponential growth and exponential decay formulas are right here. So the only difference is the exponential decay has a minus instead of a plus in it, but that should make sense because if it's decaying, it should be going down. All right, and we've already learned that we can look at something, and if it's over one, by over one I mean the B number is over one, then it's growth, and if it's between 0 and 1, it's decay. The only way it's between 0 and 1 is if we're subtracting. All right. So you've got your little descriptions here. A is the initial amount. R is the growth rate or decay rate. And X is the number of time intervals that pass. You have to be careful because sometimes they'll talk about something in terms of like hours and then give you minutes or, days and give you weeks. So you do have to take a quick look at what they're talking about there. All right. So the only difference is that you're adding or subtracting. Many times these problems will convert years to number of years since. All right. So you have to be careful with these problems right here. It'll say like starting in 2007, and then it'll start talking about 2010, 2015 and stuff. And you have to convert that into 2007 as year 0 and then count up from there. And if you don't do that, the equation that you get will be completely wrong. So you have to be on the lookout for those kind of questions. And there's a few of those mixed into this section of problems and also the next one. So be on the lookout for those and pay close attention to them because they're the ones that usually trip people up because that's not something we're thinking about doing. We're just plugging numbers in and we're not really paying that close of attention.